Hello friends, welcome back. This is Venus Joy from Projection World, your audio video partner. Today we are going to discuss about projector screen. This is the video log number 3. Before understanding the different types of projector screens which are available in the market, first we need to understand the what is the ideal projection display, what should be there in a particular room. If, for example, I will just by this is the illustration. By this illustration, you can understand the minimum viewing distance and the maximum viewing distance. So minimum viewing distance should be always D. D is the diagonal. Whatever the projection happening, the diagonal size of the projection, we consider it D. D is for diagonal. So D is equal to D is the minimum viewing distance, and D into 6 feet. 6 feet 6 feet is the maximum viewing distance for a detailed presentation. Or else, if supposing the projection is very huge, the projector, the projection what you are it's happening is very huge. It's an auditorium, so you are not able to take the measurement of the diagonal size. So you can use the length also. Length means left to right. The projection displays left to right. That is length that we are considering L. So minimum viewing distance is L is equal to L. So L means the length of the projection display, left to right. Okay, and the maximum viewing distance for a detailed presentation is L into 6 feet, and maximum viewing distance for a general presentation, that is L into 8 feet. So 6 and 8 is a uniform parameter for the distance, for the distance, for viewing distance. And then the second main parameter is the screen aspect ratio. So screen aspect ratio is the same thing. First you need to consider your projector, what is your native resolution and the aspect ratio you want. So it depends upon the projector. So as per the projector, you need to go to buy a screen. So aspect ratio is not in the market, which is the running products are 4:3 and 16:9 ratio. Types of projector screens now which is available in the market. The number one is map type screen. Second is a manual installer screen, motorized screen, tripod screen, fixed frame screen, tap tension screens. First we will look at map type screen. Map type screen, by the name you can understand map type. Map type is nothing but it's like a world map. You can hang it wherever you want. It comes with three hooks. That is, one is the center, the second one is the left side and the right side, and the specification of the fabric is 160-degree wide viewing angle, eye gain and wrinkle free fabric, matte white material, is durable and easy to clean, and it comes with a standard 4 black masking borders, and it is foldable and portable. The standard sizes which comes, this is all factory finished sizes, which comes is 4x6, 5x7 and 6x8. This all are in feet, and respectively their diagonal sizes will be 84 inches, 100 inches, 120 inches diagonal. These are the prices. This is all inclusive of GST, 18%. And the second comes the manual installer screen. By the name you can understand it is an installer screen. So whenever it comes, you can see the frame. Whenever you want to use it, you just hang it on the wall, and whenever you want to use it, just pull the screen, the fabric, it will come down and instantly it will lock. So where you stop it, it will get locked. So it is not, so that is why it is known as insta lock screen. So instantly it gets locked. And the best part of this screen is that the features extra what is given is it has a slow retractable. So we highly recommend a slow retractable. There are fast retractable also. The pricing varies like 500 to 800 rupees. So it's better to go for a premium product. And the standard size are the same, 4x6 feet, 5x7 feet, 6x8 feet, which makes a diagonal size of 84 inches, 100 inches, and 120 inches diagonal. Please note this is all 4:3 ratios, and we will be looking at the 16:9 also in other slides. This again, there is a motorized screen which is available. In motorized screen, what happens is that instead of the spring action, there is a synchronized motor which is given inside the frame, and we need a electrical power point. The advantage of this project of this screen is that it comes with a RF remote, so you can hide the screen frame inside the false ceiling or inside a palement. So you can make a palement. I will show you the examples in the last slide. And this is the sensor which you can hide in the false ceiling or else in the uh, palement. So these are the standard sizes: 4 by 6, 5 by 7, 6 by 8, which makes a diagonal size of 84 inches, 100 inches, and 120 inches diagonal, respectively. Then comes the tripod screen, which is like 160 wide. The specification all are the same of the fabric. Only the advantage is that it is foldable, portable, and with a tripod stand. It comes with a tripod stand, and you can see the handle. There is a handle which is given, so you can just catch hold the handle and you can travel wherever you want. And it also comes with the same sizes: 4 by 6 feet, 5 by 7 feet, and 6 by 8 feet. Then comes the 16:9 ratio. Please note this is 16:9 ratio. So manual install of wide screen. So wide screen, what happens? This is like a rectangle shape, cinemascopic you can say. So in this, the fabric size is all the same. Only thing is that you need to consider the black drop. This is the black drop. So black drop comes in various brands. There are different facility given, like 6 inches, 12 inches, and 24 inches, and 16 inches also. There are 3 to 4 types, but usually it comes in 6 inches only maximum. The price will vary as the black drop will increase. And the sizes are 4 by 7 feet, 5 by 8 feet, 6 by 9 feet. And the diagonal sizes are 92 inches, 108 inches, 120 inches diagonal respectively. Then there is wide motorized screen, 16:9 ratio. The same thing. You need to in this as the black drop increases, the pricing also increases. In this 4 by 7, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 9 is the same. The wide is the same. Then there is fixed frame screen. Fixed frame screen is usually used for a short throw, ultra short throw projector, or else if you are making a dedicated mini cinema. So there the fixed frame screen is widely used. The dimension is you can say it comes with a high gain fabric and a elastic fabric actually, and it has a 3 inches border velvet frame, aluminum velvet frame of 3 inches border all the 4 sides. This standard size, this inches 45, the standard sizes which are available. This is all factory finish. Even we can customize also. These are the factory finished sizes, diagonal sizes. That is 45 inches into 80 inches screen, 92 inches diagonal, 108 inches diagonal, 120 inches diagonal, 133 inches diagonal, and 150 inches diagonal. These are the inches which are given are the white portion. These sizes are the white portion. For example, if you are considering 150 inches diagonal, so 74 inches is the height and 133 inches is the length, left to right, the white portion. Then extra additional 3 inches. So you have to calculate it that way. Then comes the tap tension screens. Tap tension are the newly launched screens which are in the market. That is 16:9 ratio. We can customize this also. In tap tension is widely used for short throw and ultra short throw projectors, as we need the fabric should be stiffer. So there is a spring, you can see the spring which catch hold the fabric left side and right side, so it gives you more stiffer screen, and there is no waves. If supposing the projection of ultra short throw falls, there is no waves as such. So tap tension screens are mostly used for the short throw and ultra short throw projectors. Then the standard sizes which are coming is 59 inches into 105 inches, that is 120 inches diagonal, then 65 inches into 116 inches, that is giving a diagonal of 133 inches, and then 74 inches into 131 screen, that is 150 inches diagonal. This is starting from 120 inches diagonal. This is again a factory finished product. We can customize it also if you want something lower or bigger than this. So lower than this, like you can start from 4 by 7, you can say. So 4 by 7, even we can customize it. We can actually, that is all make to order. There are different types of screen fabrics. For example, now the fixed frame screen which we have seen, or else motorized screen, we can do customization like gray fabric. Gray fabric is like a 1 year old, 1 year young, which has launched in the market. That is, the gray fabric is advantage of this is if you are making a dedicated mini theater or a production house, you are making some video. If you are using that production house is making for color grading, so the gray screens are highly recommended. You get the true contrast ratio in that, and that is a gray screen. Then there comes the silver fabric. Silver fabric is basically used for 3D and 4D, passive 3D and 3D images. Mostly you must have seen in the malls, there are 4D, 5D, 9D, where there is a fully automation jig and you are going in a play park and all that. So there the silver screen is used where two projectors are stacked together to make that 3D image, and the brightness also increases. We need a more brightness is this in silver screen. Then comes the acoustic fabric. There are different types of acoustic fabric. Right now we are highly recommending the 4K acoustic fabric which is available. Then comes the rare fabric. Rare fabric is basically used where you want to do the projection from behind and the front the audience should be seen. So there are some samples which we have done. Like this is of a country club launch where we had done in Phoenix Market City. So there we have the projector is behind the screen, you can see, and the same thing is done in a MI showroom. This is done in a MI showroom. This is a map type screen. This is a motorized screen. The motorized screen, you can see the sensor. We can hide that sensor up. This is a map type screen. You can see the hooks which are there. So it is a simple map type screen where the IPL, during the IPL we had put the screen. Then this is the standard motorized screen which a payment has been made and hidden the screen. So if you want to hide the screen, that is possible. That's what I was saying. It comes with a RF remote, so you can hide the screen. Then for any more queries you feel free to contact. I hope you most of your screens decision making must have been sorted out, and you can contact in our number, and this is our website projectionworld.in. That's it. Thank you very much. In the next video we will come out with something different topic. Mostly it will be regarding with digital classroom solutions. Thank you once again. Venus Joy signing off.